Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize investor relations with Cision. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Cision account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Select the Investor Relations tab from the main menu. Here, you will find various tools tailored for managing investor communications. Start by customizing your investor lists. Click on the Contacts section to access your current investor database. Use the search function to filter for specific investors or groups. Add new contacts by clicking the Add Contact button. Fill in the required details such as name, email, and organization. Save your changes and ensure your list remains up to date. Next, set up your press releases. Go to the Press Releases section. Click on Create New Release to begin the process. Input your headline, body text, and any relevant multimedia such as images or videos. Ensure that your release adheres to compliance regulations. Use Cision's distribution options to target the right audience for your news. Preview your release before final submission. Once satisfied, click Publish to distribute your news. Now, focus on tracking investor engagement. Access the Analytics section on the dashboard. Review metrics such as open rates and click-through rates for your press releases. Utilize these insights to adjust your communication strategy. Consider scheduling regular updates to keep investors informed. Go to the Engagement tab to set reminders for future communications. Use Cision's templates for consistency in your messaging. Finally, regularly review and refine your investor relations strategy. Adjust your approach based on feedback and analytics available through Cision. This process will help ensure effective communication with your investors. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.